This protein rice bubble slice is a really delicious snack to make for yourself throughout the week. It's one that the kids are going to love and it's really easy to make. Now, I'm using the Happy Way salted caramel protein powder for this one, but this recipe will be great with any protein powder that you have at home. Now, I've got 2 cups here of rice bubbles. I am going to be using half a cup of coconut oil and half a cup of this nutty spread, which is a mixture of a few different nuts. However, you can just use peanut butter or almond butter or whatever butter you like. I've got half a cup here of shredded coconut, a tablespoon of chia seeds. I've got half a cup of chocolate chips, but you can also use cacao nibs if you don't want to use chocolate chips. And then I'm just going to chop up 1 cup of mixed nuts. So I've got a mixture here of hazelnuts, walnuts, and cashew nuts, and I'm just going to chop them up roughly with a knife. Now, step 1 for this recipe is just to melt your coconut oil and your nut butter in a saucepan until it's nice and runny, and then you're just going to chuck everything else into your bowl, mix it all together until it's nice and sticky and well combined, and then I'm just going to pop it into a lined baking tray, press it down nicely so it's nice and compressed into my pan, and then I'm going to pop that into the fridge to set overnight. Once it is set nicely and it's nice and firm, I'll take it out and I'll cut it into little squares, and that's it.